Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my informational session on how to be a lawyer with a marketing degree from Clemson University. The legal field is constantly changing, laws change every day, mandates are made, which we should be familiar with now, and legislators create new laws often. Therefore, lawyers will always be necessary. People will always need representation, and as we've seen in the past, people don't represent themselves well in the court of law. Going to law school with a marketing degree is not normal, but then again, it's not unusual. People tend to pursue law school with a political science, a history, or an English degree, and typically business degrees are in the category, and marketing falls under business degrees. Lawyers have been around for a long time. When I say a long time, I mean it. According to Hugh L. Dewey Esquire, Dr. Leakey discovered the first evidence of lawyers, which dates back to 1 million to about 1.5 million years ago. Although she did not find a full case, she did find fragments and proof that lawyers did exist. Fast forward a tad to the Dark Ages. Something funny about the Dark Ages is that lawyers were actually replaced with witches and magicians because witches and magicians were easier to afford then, and people trusted them more during that time, but that didn't last too long. So to become a lawyer, you must first obtain a bachelor's degree. Then, depending on the type of law you wish to practice, a master's or a PhD may be required. Then you have to score an adequate score on the LSAT, the law school admissions test, to be admitted into law school. And you have to go to law school to get your Juris Doctor. Once you get your Juris Doctor, you can then take the state bar exam in the state you wish to practice to then practice. So the future of lawyers, just like anything, the future of lawyers is unpredictable. What we do know is that they will always be needed, as long as we continue to keep up with technology and stay above artificial intelligence, which is really scary to think about. The employment patterns of a lawyer are similar to climbing a totem pole. You start as a runner normally during law school, and that's like your internship when you're a runner. Then you'll graduate with your JD, and then you'll go on to take the bar and pass the bar. Once you pass the bar, you'll become an associate with a law firm. And it's typically the law firm you interned with during law school, and from there you'll become a partner, then possibly one day a managing partner if you want to be in charge of the whole firm. To keep climbing, though, you have to keep a well-respected reputation. So where are the jobs? Well, the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics says that the lawyer occupation will continue to grow. Over the next 10 years, there will be about 32,300 more lawyers than there are right now, and that's 4% growth from what it is now. In terms of graduate programs, like I said before, you can pursue the optional master's or PhD, depending on what the type of law you want to practice. However, law school is required to obtain that Juris Doctor to take the state bar exam. For the most part, lawyers are well respected and in good standing with society. However, they do struggle with conflicts of interest, lack of communication, and malpractice. And sadly, you'll find this in just about every career field. When you become a lawyer, try to stray away from any of this and always do the right thing, even if that means not lying for someone you're close with. Now, since a marketing degree does open so many doors, you may decide that you don't want to be a lawyer after all. So here's a chart I made based off of my findings from the Franklin University website. With a marketing degree, you can be an account executive for advertising agencies, a marketing professor, a copywriter for advertising agencies, a media planner for advertising agencies, an insurance saleswoman, a medical device saleswoman, which is actually really popular with a marketing degree from Clemson, is selling medical devices, a brand manager, a director of internet marketing, a digital media manager, or we'll go back to the lawyer of any kind. There are so many wonderful career options that a marketing degree from Clemson can offer you. So in conclusion, yes, it's a lot of work to become a successful lawyer, but Clemson has equipped you with the knowledge to do so. Stay focused and determined on your goals, and majoring in marketing will be so helpful in the long run and opens so many doors. And marketing majors can be great lawyers too.